This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Destination Series 43 condo is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coachman and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 9, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bath, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.